At the time it was a Kingfish thing, and him say right now she don't approve because you say certain things and it bring on certain wrath of other people that try to lick out against you.
Yeah.
So him said no, she don't really approve because she get a little nervous.
Of course.
Especially when you highlight the authorities who are
we're in a system, So you have people who are prone to rebelling against the system and you have people who are prone to living within it.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So it's always, one of the things that divide us still. But, my mother approve of everything I'm doing in terms of the music, and just doing music as a profession. She definitely approve, and she's one of my biggest supporters, probably the biggest. She want to know all of my tour schedule, them, and if she can come to a show, she come to the show. So yeah, mommy, maybe she'd have loved if I was doing more Christian music still, but tell her that the consciousness of Christ is in there, you know what I mean? Because we believe that regardless of religion is one and the same message, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm trying to show mommy them things.
Yes, man, we have a big up mommy. Mommy, large up from Vancouver, we're there, Kabaka in the house, Roots Reggae. Yeah, so next thing I want to ask you, education.
Yeah.
Education are the key. I hear you preach. I don't say preach, you teach. You teach and reach.
True.
And education are the key. How crucial has education been for you to relay these messages to people in the music?
Instrumental. I give thanks for the education I receive. People that call it an uptown education.
Yeah.
You go to proper school and them thing there. And we utilize that to our advantage. Because I believe everybody is put in a situation for a reason. So there's a reason why I learned to articulate myself in a certain way and learn to critically analyze things, and based on that we can explain things in a way where people outside of Jamaica can understand what we're saying and can relate to it. So the music take on a more universal form based on that. So we give thanks. Education is key. A lot of my education really come from outside of school too. I really start to read after I left school. In terms of take up books and start to buy books and have a collection. So self-education is really the only education still. As opposed to just ideas were put into you based on a system to kind of perpetuate the system. So it's really self-search and self-education.
Yes. Key. I have to tell you, when I heard never gonna be a slave to the system, and when I say I can relate to, you say after the student loan, I thought you had after you get your degree.
Yeah, man, go through it, man. We still have that. We still have that to work on.
You mean you never get no bursary?
Bursary. No bursary.
Yeah, man, because we know for a lot of youths in the underprivileged, a lot of underprivileged youth, the key to getting out of that situation is education. So we know you've taken the music to many places, and the music has taken you to many places.
True.
What are some of the countries you have performed in?
Whoa, all over. So, obviously USA, Canada, Costa Rica.
Yeah.
I'm going to Trinidad later this month. Well, later. It's August now, right? August 1st.
Yes.
So later this month I'll be in Trinidad. Europe, all over Europe. From Eastern to Western, Spain, France, Germany, Netherlands, UK, performed in London. Yeah, I think that's pretty much. Other European like Czech Republic and Slovakia perform in these places, Austria. So we're definitely looking to take it to Africa. That's the main mission right now, to see if we can get some shows in Africa going on and reaching out to the people in Africa, doing some works and investing in Africa.
Yes.
Because we see that as a crucial thing going forward. And of course Australia, I did a song with a sister from Australia. Generations Will Rise, Natalie Rise is an artist, so hopefully, them music they carry across to that side of the world, and Japan, all them places, we know the music playing, Israel, we know the music playing there, so we just want to follow the music to where it plays. South America too.
Yes.
We want to go Brazil and Colombia, all them places to Argentina, everywhere. So
Yeah.
see how it goes.
Is there anything that surprises you about playing in places like those? All these foreign countries where English is not the primary language.
It always surprised me to see how people know the lyrics.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And if a language where you don't speak, you can sing back the lyrics, and it's amazing to see how people can feel the meaning.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's like the music just have a feeling and people know what the song talking about even if them don't understand what the individual words mean. So it shows we as artists will put feeling into the songs different from the linguistics. You know what I mean? So yeah man, it's a great thing to see that.
What a joy, man. What a joy. I'm telling you. And right now we're gonna drop a track and we're gonna come back to it in a short while. This is Choppings, because a lot of people didn't realize that you got that kind of flow.
Yes.
And you know, when they say Kabaka Pyramid, they don't think hip hop.
Yeah.
So they don't think hip hop, but I guess in the teenage years, hip hop was a big thing for you.
Big influence.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes, and we know. I'm not gonna ask you about all your idols and things because we know, we can see the foundation.
Yeah.
And the roots in it. So we'll touch Choppings and we'll come right back. This is Kabaka Pyramid, right here on the People's Station, Vancouver Cooperative Radio, 2:52 a.m. on the west coast, the best coast. We call it BC, the better choice. Better check it out, man. Well gone, brother.
You know, I played that earlier, eh? I didn't say nothing though.